Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel. Today, part of Ambari Cloud Open Lakehouse 108 is Facebook. I'll be reviewing the Snowflake Open Lakehouse preferred architecture, right? So if you look at some of the videos, we have been talking about lift and permanent tables to Iceberg Open Lakehouse format. And part of lift and shift, there are multiple ways of doing it. One is using the Snowflake open catalog, also known as Polaris catalog, external catalog versus internal catalog. Then after reviewing various architectures and various clients, we feel, right, and what is the preferred architecture, right? So if you look at here, as I said, we tested, particularly when you're dealing with the cow tables, more tables, which is copy and write, merge and read, and differently and merge and read, right? And, you want more faster inserts, and then while you're reading it, the inserts, most faster inserts and deletes and updates, particularly deletes and updates. Then you design more tables, right? So when you want that kind of architecture, you use branching, right, where you can do, the whole ETL work there, ELT work, and then you can do fast forward. When you're dealing with that kind of architecture, right? So the preferred architecture is like your EMR or other your Dremio or Trinio or Cloudera engines or Databricks engines writing data into your Polaris catalog, right? So I just showed you only EMR here, but replace with Dremio, right? And we did a lot of Dremio projects too. So here, our insert, update, deletes, everything is done through your other preferred engine, and to Iceberg table, which is located in part of your Polaris internal catalog. Again, I'm specific to word internal catalog. That means here your engine can do all the updates and deletes in here. Then this is a puristic Apache Iceberg. That means it has all the features, particularly data scope and hidden partitions, all those features available when you do the internal catalog approach. Then engines like Snowflake, for example, right? And then you are doing a lift and shift from Snowflake. Then end users, right? Let's say Tableau users or any ad hoc users, if they do a lot of analytics through Snowflake, if they feel that using Snowflake is easy to use, of course, more often business people feel that it is easy to use. Yeah, you can create the REST-based Iceberg tables in Snowflake connecting to Polaris, right? And which also does auto sync, right? You can anytime when your external engine, for example, here EMR continuously updating, deleting, and all the stuff, then your Snowflake, with auto refresh can read the data, and then you don't feel any lag here. So, to build an open lakehouse, Iceberg-based open lakehouse, right? And then any engine, right? Dremio, Trinio, EMR, Cloudera, or your own Spark, right? Writing into Polaris internal catalog, right? And then, build a REST-based Iceberg table in Snowflake. So, and if this is cheaper, right? And you still feel your easy usability of Snowflake, then all your ETL, ELT is moved out of Snowflake and the cheaper. And then your data files are in your cloud account, and any other engines can access it, right? And easy to share. Of course, you can also do a share through Snowflake, but you can share the files. And then you can use other engines like DuckDB, right, and PyIceberg and all those things. And DuckDB can become more powerful lately and more usable too. And then you can do a lot of analytics on using DuckDB. So that way you can reduce the cost, and still you can continuously using your Snowflake features, right? And also you can implement your Snowflake AI, ML features on your Snowflake and Iceberg table. So we feel this is a preferred architecture, of course. I do POCs, let us know. We did a lot of POCs. We have projects in production. We have implemented, and also we did a lot of automation. When you want to do a lift and shift, we built an automated migration applications, and then also we built the tuning of iceberg tables, rewrites and express snapshot, all those things. Then most importantly, we can still implement more tables here, and still we have a challenges and more table and iceberg in the Snowflake domain. And so this allows you a puristic iceberg-based open lakehouse. Okay. So look at this architecture, reach out if any questions, skondapalli@ambaricloud.com. And if you're planning on any POCs or projects implementation, reach out to us. Thank you. Bye now.